good morning once again. Welcome to today's video. You can see I'm working from home today. I'm just gonna give you a quick brief of what's happening. So this week's task is to finish up the component that I've been working on. I did not make a video last week, probably you didn't notice. It's fine. So last week I had a demo to show the component that I was working on. It went quite well. So now I was given a week to finish up and wrap things up, and I also had to have a meeting with some of the business requirements team to tell me what is missing and what I should add and those kind of settings. So now I'm gonna add a few APIs and then I'm gonna test them. That will be the task of the day. I think there are 3 APIs I need to add, and then I'm gonna be testing them after lunch. So that's the objective of the day, and then I'm gonna wrap this thing today. I'm gonna wrap this thing up this week, not today. So what I'm gonna do now is just put on some music as I usually do, some morning playlist, and then I'm gonna go make some food and yeah, write the objectives of the day, and I get to work. So let's get to it. Alright, can we share again? Let's see if we can quickly do it. So now we can go to the main app service. They already told you to start aiming. I'm still finishing up. Yeah. I don't think you should use this because this. Another thing that you have to factor in when you're working is unexpected calls. So when I was going to make breakfast, I had a call and then I jumped on the call. Now it's 12 p.m. and I haven't done anything. So now I'm actually gonna have breakfast at 12. That's the thing that I've been saying about working from home. We'll end up not eating or overworking. But anyways, I'm gonna make breakfast and continue with the schedule. Not sure if it's still breakfast, but to me it's breakfast. It's my first meal of the day. If it's 12 p.m, 9 p.m, it's breakfast. Baba, I'm gonna make breakfast. I've written a whole lot of code, so it's about time that we test some of it. Time's around 1:30, and if this works, then half of my problems are solved. So let me just fire up the engine. This one I've tested. Everything looks good. Seems like it's working. I know I only tested once, but I'm still gonna test it. I'm still gonna consume it in the front end. So this is good. So after lunch I'm gonna consume it. Hopefully we wrap this thing this week. Everything seems to be working fine. So yeah, just gonna test one more time, then take my lunch. I'm not really feeling that hungry yet, so I'm just gonna have watermelon. So my tip that I'm gonna share is, if you're starting out in development, right, and you are starting to learn a new language or you're starting to learn a new framework, never neglect the documentation. Never neglect the documentation. I know most people will say I like to watch a video, I get much more information when I'm watching a video or something like that. But who to learn better from than the people who created the language or the framework? So don't go through tutorial hell trying to learn basics of a language or a framework. Instead, you can go to the documentation and get everything there clear as much as possible. Now when you get to the video part, everything is much clearer, if you understand what I mean. So even if you're getting through errors and stuff, it's very wise to check the documentation, because you might be fighting with an error for an entire week just to find that it's there on the documentation, even easily reachable. So if you're using things like ChatGPT or AI, it's even much better when you just take the link of the documentation and just pass it there. Even if you are learning to integrate something or things like that, documentation is king at the end of the day. As much as we can say videos taught you this and that, but documentation is king. So never neglect the documentation. Make sure you go through that. That's something I'm also learning. Don't mind me looking at the phone because this thing is freaking awesome. I hope this quality is gonna be insane, man. Cause wow, yeah. I'm testing out the camera. This is not my camera. Let me actually show you the unboxing, because I actually got this camera. We unboxed this camera last week. It's the company camera, so. So another thing I wanted to talk about is the concept of the week idea. I see people actually having a bit of disagreements in the comment section that the concept of the week is a bit too technical and complex for some people, and others are saying it's a bit helpful. So I would like, if you're watching the video and you found this useful, please let me know what you think about the concept of the week. Should I keep on sharing like technical terms that I learned throughout the week or throughout the month, so that you also learn something new, or should I keep it more vlog and just tell you a bit and bits about the work that I do, or should I also have the technical side, is what I'm trying to say here. So please leave a comment in the comment section and let me know, man, because I think we all should benefit from this. So I like sharing the concept of the week, but if it's a bit too technical for some people and I should keep it a bit basic, then let me know. I would definitely love the feedback. Leave a comment. But anyway, if you watched till this point, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.